Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see TikTok shop orders. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok account. So once you open your TikTok account, you need to simply tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. So once you navigate to your TikTok shop from your profile page, you can simply find the TikTok shop for sellers option in the TikTok studio as well. So you need to first of all sign up for your TikTok shop account. And once you have done this, within the TikTok shop section, once you have been signed up, you can find the orders to see a complete list of purchases. So this is available on your settings and privacy. As you have made a TikTok shop account, you can find the order section right over here. So this is how you can see TikTok shop orders. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.